You recording, yeah? There you go.
Fucking hell.
God, you hear the noise of it going through his throat. That's fucked. I don't think I'm going to sell it. I've got to... Oh.
I'm getting closer. I'm not because it itches.
You ain't going to spray its hairs everywhere. Let's go hold of that fucking
See
thing.
if we can get...
That is crazy.
Okay, let's run behind the bush.